Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No border needed. Today we'll practice all the advanced steps we learned so far. These steps are the main Lego pieces you can use to create your own impressive salsa patterns. We will start with the swap 360, back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line, and then reverse CBL, front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Are you ready? Yes, day 20. Turn to your left and let's start. One basic, and then swap 360 and reverse CBL. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Now reverse CBL. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now basic. Let's do it again. Swap 360 and reverse CBL. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Now reverse CBL. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now basic. Let's do it again. Swap 360 and reverse CBL. Yes. 5, 6, anchor, swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Reverse CBL. Front, in place, side. Yeah. Cross to the back, on the line and full speed. One basic. And let's go. Swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open and reverse CBL. Now, front, side and basic. And again, swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open and reverse CBL. Now, front, side and basic. And again, swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open and reverse CBL. Now, front, side and basic. Basic slow. And now let's do the reverse CBL offline and then the 360. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open and in place. Now 360. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line and forward. Basic. Let's do it again. Reverse CBL offline and 360. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now 360. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line and forward. Basic. Yes, doing great. Last time slow. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline and 360. Let's go. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open and in place. Now 360. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line and full speed. One basic. Go. Reverse CBL offline. Let's go. Front, side, cross to the back. Now 360. Twist, open and basic. Reverse CBL offline again. Let's go. Front, side and 360. Go. On the line, open and back on the line. Basic. Last time. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, side and 360. Now, twist, open, and now we'll do the left pass. Cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward, and then the reverse CBL. We'll start with the basic offline to the left. 1, 2, 3, back, side, forward. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Now reverse CBL, front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Basic offline to the left and left pass. Let's go. Back, side, forward. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Now reverse CBL, front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Basic offline to the left. Yes, last time slow. Let's go. Back, side, forward. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Reverse CBL, front, in place, side, cross to the back and full speed. Basic offline to the left. Go. Front and left pass. Now cross, back and reverse CBL. Go. Front, side, on the line. Basic offline to the left and left pass. Go. Cross, back and reverse CBL. Now front, side and basic offline to the left and left pass. Go. Cross, back and reverse CBL. Go. Front, side and back on the line. Basic and basic slow again. And now we'll do reverse CBL offline and the right pass. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline to the front. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open and in place. Now right pass, cross to the back, front, side, step to the back, on the line and forward. Basic. Let's do it again. Reverse CBL offline and the right pass. Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open and in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line and forward. Basic. Last time slow? Yeah, doing great. Let's go again. Reverse CBL offline. Let's go. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open and in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line and full speed. One basic. Go. One. And let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass. Now front, side and back on the line. Basic. And again, reverse CBL offline. Go. Front, side and right pass. Now cross to the back, side and on the line. Basic. One more. Reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass. Let's go. Cross to the back, side and on the line. Basic. And now let's do a longer sequence. Swap 360, reverse CBL offline, and then 360. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Now reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor for the swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now 360. On the line. Twist, open, in place, on the line and full speed. One basic, let's go. And a swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open and swap 360. Anchor, back, open and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and 360. Now, twist, open, on the line, And now we'll do the basic offline to the left and then left pass. 1, 2, 3. Back, side, forward. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, and forward. Now reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass but offline. Cross to the back, front, side, stay offline, back, in place, forward. Now left pass, cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line, and forward. Now reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass, cross to the back, front, side, step to the back and full speed. One basic, offline to the left. Go. And left pass. Back, side, forwards. Cross, back and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass offline to the left. Cross to the back, side, stay offline and left pass. Cross, back and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass. Cross to the back, side and on the line, basic. And thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the muscle tape at the end. Ready for day 21? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 20 again. The more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Practice with this video again, and every time you do the reverse CBL offline, imagine yourself turning your partner.